Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox an iPhone 4 that I bought on eBay for $17. That's a pair running iOS 4. So let's unbox it right away. I am very excited because I just came from school. Alright, we got out bubble wrap and here's the iPhone 4. Oh, look at her, so beautiful. Look at that. Set to the side. Okay, we have an invoice. You don't need to see that. Looks like that's it. Just take this out of the box. Take a look at the iPhone 4. My first iPhone 4. Looks good. Nice. Nice. Let's power this on if it's having juice. Guess it doesn't have a charge. So I'll be right back.